30 Filipino phrases for daily use. Natatambakan na ako ng trabaho. I'm getting behind my work. Natatambakan na ako ng trabaho. I'm getting behind my work. Kilalang kilala ko siya. I know him well. Kilalang kilala ko siya. I know him well. Ang importante ay okay ka. The important thing is that you're okay. Ang importante ay okay ka. The important thing is that you're okay. Nagiging makakalimutin na ako. I'm getting forgetful. Nagiging makakalimutin na ako. I'm getting forgetful. Papunta na ako. I'm on my way. Papunta na ako. I'm on my way. Hihintayin ko ang tawag mo. I will wait for your call. Hihintayin ko ang tawag mo. I will wait for your call. Wala kang karapatang sabihin yan. You have no right to say that. Wala kang karapatang sabihin yan. You have no right to say that. Hindi ko yata kakayanin ng lamig. I don't think I can handle the cold. Hindi ko yata kakayanin ng lamig. I don't think I can handle the cold. Tatawagan kita kapag paalis na ako. I'll call you when I'm ready to leave. Tatawagan kita kapag paalis na ako. I'll call you when I'm ready to leave. Sumama ka sa akin sa Singapore. Come with me to Singapore. Sumama ka sa akin sa Singapore. Come with me to Singapore. Magjejeta na ako simula bukas. I'm going on a diet starting tomorrow. Magjejeta na ako simula bukas. I'm going on a diet starting tomorrow. Saan mo huling nakita yon? Where did you last see it? Saan mo huling nakita yon? Where did you last see it? Matutulog ako ng maaga ngayong gabi. I will go to bed early tonight. Matutulog ako ng maaga ngayong gabi. I will go to bed early tonight. Kailangan ko bang magdala ng pangginaw? Do I need to bring a sweater? Kailangan ko bang magdala ng pangginaw? Do I need to bring a sweater? Mag-iisang taon na silang hiwalay. They've been separated for almost a year. Mag-iisang taon na silang hiwalay. They've been separated for almost a year. Birthday mo ba ngayon? Is it your birthday today? Birthday mo ba ngayon? Is it your birthday today? Kinakausap ko ang kapatid ko. I'm talking to my brother. Kinakausap ko ang kapatid ko. I'm talking to my brother. Tapos ka na bang maglinis? Are you done cleaning? Tapos ka na bang maglinis? Are you done cleaning? Bakit bukas pa ang ilaw sa sala? Why is the light still on in the living room? Bakit bukas pa ang ilaw sa sala? Why is the light still on in the living room? Kumain ba siya bago siya umalis? Did she eat before she left? Kumain ba siya bago siya umalis? Did she eat before she left? Alam ko ang kantang yan. I know that song. Alam ko ang kantang yan. I know that song. Ayoko ng tag-ulan. I don't like rainy days. Ayoko ng tag-ulan. I don't like rainy days. Ilan pa ang kailangan mo? How many more do you need? Ilan pa ang kailangan mo? How many more do you need? Hindi ako interesado. I'm not interested. Hindi ako interesado. I'm not interested. Nakokonsensya ako. I feel guilty. Nakokonsensya ako. I feel guilty. Pwede ko bang makita? May I see it? Pwede ko bang makita? May I see it? Itinulak niya ako. She pushed me. Itinulak niya ako. She pushed me. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain. I haven't finished eating yet. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain. I haven't finished eating yet. Ang hirap hanapin ang bahay niyo. Your house is very difficult to find. Ang hirap hanapin ang bahay niyo. Your house is very difficult to find. Sana makatulong. I hope it helps. Sana makatulong. I hope it helps.